Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Discord incoming calls not ringing in iPhone. First, open Discord. Tap on menu icon at the bottom. Scroll down and find notification. Ensure all notification settings are turned on. Ensure it that everything is turned on. After that, restart Discord. Now for the second step, check iOS notification settings. Go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down and find notification. Now scroll down and find Discord. Make sure that all notification are turned on, sounds and everything is turned on. Now for the third step, uninstall and reinstall Discord. Uninstall it and after that install it from App Store. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.